This is an introduction to the Attestation Station interface that I built. But first, what is the Attestation Station? It's a smart contract deployed on Optimism. It enables anyone to make arbitrary attestations about their addresses. So you can make a statement about an address, and anyone can read that statement. When multiple entities participate in providing qualitative statements about actors within a community, an invaluable data library is created for the broader ecosystem. Ultimately, the goal is for this to serve as an accessible data source for builders creating reputation-related apps. This is the starting point to derive a larger web of trust on chain. So we can begin to establish a credibly neutral reputation that is entirely peer-to-peer and that can be used for a wide variety of applications, including voting, reputations and credit scores, reviews, and more. As an example, attestations written to the attestation station form the base layer of the reputation for Optimism Citizens House. So this is going to kind of be the underpinning of some of its governance structures. The implementation is a simple smart contract that acts as a basic data primitive. Here's a quick look at the high-level technical specs. The attestations, this is the smart contract's nested mapping state variable that stores all of the attestations made and recorded. The attestation data is a struct, which is a properly formatted attestation. You can pass an array of these to an attest function to record them. It provides information on who it's about, a description key, and an associated value. An attestation created event is emitted when an attestation is made. It provides information about who made the attestation, who it was about, the description key, and the associated value. You can, of course, directly interact with the smart contracts deployed on Optimism, but I put together a no-code interface that you can use to make single attestations. I hope this presentation and the following demo gives you a better understanding of what this is all about, and you can start thinking about what you can build on top of it. So I'll navigate over to my app. You can connect your wallet. I'll go ahead and hook up my MetaMask. There we go. Currently, it's only supported on Goreli's test network, but it will be deployed on mainnet very soon. And then on this screen here, you can make the attestation. So I'm just going to make one about myself. So I took my address, and it's about me. I'm going to make SB Vegan made this. Ooh. So this is a key that describes what it's about. And then appending the values typed to the end is the naming convention that is suggested in the documentation. In addition, this is a bytes 32 value, so you're limited to 32 characters. The value is the information associated with the key, so I'm just going to say true. We'll make it a true statement. You can write this attestation. It'll load on MetaMask. You can confirm it. And as it's making the attestation, you kind of wait till it's confirmed on the network. We navigate here and see that the sequencer has picked it up and recorded it. So now this should be available to read. So we can go over to the read attestation and read it. The creator's Ethereum address, so I just made it, so this is the same address. And I made it about myself. So, these two are the same, but in your case, it might be different. And then you can input the key, and this will constantly read the attestation station and see if there's any associated keys with this information that's provided. So as you see, I'm typing. None of these show up, but when I put in the key, you'll see that the value is returned. This is the raw hex value, and then as a string formatted value is also kicked back using like Ether's utility functions. Here's a quick about, and then there's basic information about this interface and official documentation links. Thank you for watching this video. I'll provide some more information in the description below. And if you have any questions or want to chat about what can be built on the Attestation station, please reach out and we can talk. Thanks, y'all.